Hey guys, it's Smita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this look right here, which is perfect for the upcoming festival of Rakshabandhan. It's this kind of a simple and quick makeup that I prefer for festivals, nothing over the top, and it gets done very quickly. So without further ado, let's get this started. The quickest way to fill in your brows is using an eye pencil, and today I'm going to be using the Ardell Brow Pencil in dark brown to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. And then by combing my hair with a spoolie, I'm going to spread the color across evenly. Using the Instant Age Rewind Primer from Maybelline, I'm going to smoothen out my skin before I apply anything else over it. For foundation, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Classic Beige. I'm going to spread it all over my face and neck using a beauty sponge from Studio 35. To conceal and correct around my eyes, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and I'm going to blend it out using another damp beauty sponge. I'm taking the Fit Me powder from Maybelline in medium 25 to set the concealer around my eyes to prevent it from creasing, and then I'm going to take a tad more extra powder on a powder puff and set my T-zone. Taking Paranoid from the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette, I'm going to bronze just my cheeks, and because I'm not going to be using any eyeshadows on my lids, I'm going to use this to create some depth in the outer crease of my eyes. And then using a pencil brush, I'm going to smoke this bronzer out in my lower lash line just to soften up everything. This literally is my everyday makeup. I just use a bronzer to create depth in the outer crease, and then I'll use a highlighter to highlight the inner corners as well as brow bones. And today I'm going to be using the Cat highlighter in Twilight. To line my top waterline, I'm using the Jordana eye pencil in black, and then I'll take a pencil brush to smudge this out only in the outer corner to create that smoky effect. And with whatever residue is left on that pencil brush, I'm going to use it in the outer half of my lower lash line. Next, I'm applying some mascara to prep it for the false lashes that's coming up next. You can call it done after mascara if false lashes takes a long time to put on. For me, it's very quick and easy. So the one that I'm using today is Harjot Lashes in Bossy. And then I'm finishing up my eye makeup so quickly using the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. And you can see how big and beautiful your eyes look, especially when you have those false lashes on. Going back to the Urban Decay palette, I'm taking Score to blush up the high points of my cheeks. And on my lips, I'm going with a very romantic, toned down nude rose color. This is the Sigma Liquid Lipstick in New Mod. And here is the finished look, you guys. It gets done so quickly, but you still look so well put together. Let me know your thoughts on this look by commenting below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. I'd love to know more about you guys, so let me know how many brothers and sisters you have. I just have one brother. His name is Varun and he's in India. And I have so many wonderful cousins. I hope you enjoy your Rakhi. Happy Rakhi and happy Rakshabandhan to everybody. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another exciting tutorial. Bye guys.